This is the guy who gets paid to scare off birds at Manchester Airport. Security is one thing, but this chap has an equally important job to do to keep passengers safe. The land around Manchester Airport is home to dozens of types of birds, but that can cause problems for pilots flying in and out of the city. A bird strike is when a bird hits an aircraft, and if it happens, it can be dangerous. They can cause major problems, damage planes, and cause jets to be diverted. In the last year, there have been almost 100 reported bird strikes at Manchester Airport. Most happen when planes are taking off, landing, or flying at low altitude. That's why the airport has a specialist team dedicated to keeping the area bird-free. Led by Alex Britland, they patrol over 13 kilometres of land around the airport and runways 24/7. Using a huge scarecrow squawker on top of a ranger truck, they play recordings of birds in distress, like this. There's over 100 different bird calls, and they're chosen depending on the type of bird, or whether they want them to stay on the ground or fly away. Have you spotted the scarecrow squawker on your travels? Follow for more.